Welcome students in the civics part. Today we are going to start our second chapter, that is the Indian Parliament. Already in the first chapter of civics we have learned about the different system of the government. In that parliamentary system and presidential system, we have learned about these two systems in lesson first. And now in detail about the Indian Parliament, we are going to learn it in this lesson. So we have studied that the Parliament plays an important role in parliamentary system of government. So in this system, Parliament is very important. So in this chapter, we will discuss the Parliament of India. The Constitution of India has created the Parliament of India. And according to this constitutional provision, the legislature at the national level, that is the level of the central government, is called the Parliament. It means union government, central government, they have their separate legislature, as well as state government also, they have their separate legislature. About the state government, about the legislature of the state government, legislature, executive of the state government, these all details we are going to learn in the next chapter. So here in the lesson second, we are going to learn the legislature at the national level. That is the level of the central government is called the Parliament. So it consists or it includes of the President and the two houses of the Parliament, that is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Though President is an inseparable part of the Parliament, he or she cannot participate in the discussion in either of the house of the Parliament. It means he cannot take part in Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. The MP members, Member of Parliament, they are taking part in this discussion and deliberation, and when any bill, it will sanctioned by Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, finally it goes to the President, and then President will assign on it, on that bill, and then this bill is going to convert into law. So these all details we are going to learn it in the next chapter. Here just you have to learn that maybe President is an inseparable part, but he is not taking part in any discussion. So can you find out the constituent states in India get seats on basis of their population? Now at present in our country 28 states are there and 8 union territories are there, and these all states from country, from India, they get seats on the basis of their population. Population from each states, accordingly they are going to finalize the seats for the Parliament. So for the purpose of the election, the state is divided into territorial constituencies, and with the help of these territorial constituencies, we all Indian people, we are electing our representatives for the Parliament. For example, we can take from our area. From our area, we have which constituencies? Hatkanangle constituencies for the central government. Okay. So from our area, or from Maharashtra, from Gujarat, from Madhya Pradesh, it means from these all states, how many seats are going to elect for the Parliament? The population of these territorial constituencies is approximately equal, but on the base of the population, they are going to decide the number of seats for the Parliament. So use the internet to find out the number of seats each constituent state has in the Lok Sabha. Here are some example. Maharashtra, 48 seats are there. Gujarat, 26 seats are there. Madhya Pradesh, 29 seats, and Goa, 2 seats. It means from these, here only 4 examples are there. You can use internet, and through the internet you can get the number of seats for the parliament. So from Maharashtra 48 seats we are going to elect or select for the parliament. So from Gujarat 26, Madhya Pradesh 29, Goa 2 seats are there. Now why very less seats for Goa? Because Goa is very small state as well as the population of the Goa is very less one. It means according to the population they are going to finalize the seats for the parliament. And which is the highest state? That is UP, Uttar Pradesh. 80 seats from Uttar Pradesh, 80 seats they are going to elect for the parliament. So in this way, from these all states and union territories, Indian citizens they are going to elect the representatives. And how many representatives are there in Lok Sabha? 500. At present 543. So according to these seats, how many constituencies are there? 543 constituencies. So from each constituencies, one member they are going to elect it as a member of parliament. So in this way, from these all states and from these all union territories, they are going to elect their representative to this Lok Sabha. Okay. So in this way, the two houses of the parliament are called the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. In detail about Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, we are going to learn it in the next video. Okay, today we are going to stop here only. Goodbye, student.